Wink. Sarah winked at her friend in the meeting. Lick. The dog licked its owner's hand. Chew. He chewed his food slowly. Blink. She blinked rapidly in the bright sunlight. Stare. He stared at the painting in awe. Kiss. They kissed each other goodbye. Pinch. He pinched the bridge of her nose. Slap. He slapped the floor in frustration. Poke. He poked his friend in the ribs playfully. Tickle. He tickled his friend, making him giggle. Rub. He rubbed his hands together to keep warm. Pull. She pulled the heavy suitcase along the path. Push. She pushed the door to open it. Jump. He jumped over the puddle. Leap. She leaped across the finish line. Lean. He leaned against the wall while waiting. Kneel. He kneeled to pick up the fallen book. Wave. He waved goodbye from the train window. Blow. She blew the dandelion seeds into the air. Dance. They danced to their favorite song. Lie down. He lay down on the grass, gazing at the stars. Nod. She nodded to indicate agreement. Shake. He shook his head to say no. Point. She pointed at the correct answer. Clap. The audience clapped after the performance. Snap. He snapped his fingers to the beat. Tap. She tapped her foot impatiently. Wiggle. The child wiggled with excitement. Flick. She flicked the switch to turn on the light. Stretch. She stretched her arms after waking up. Shrug. He shrugged in response to the question. Hunch. He hunched over her desk while working. Bow. He bowed to thank the audience. Curtsy. She curtsied as part of the performance. Flex. He flexed his muscles after the workout. Stomp. He stomped his foot in frustration. Twirl. She twirled around in her dress. Lunge. She lunged forward in her fencing practice. Hug. They hugged each other goodbye. Jolt. She jolted awake from her nap. Shiver. He shivered in the cold wind. Tremble. He trembled with fear. Nudge. He nudged his friend to get attention. Slide. She slid across the dance floor. Slump. She slumped into the chair after a long day. Skip. They skipped down the sidewalk. Waddle. The penguin waddled on the ice. Squat. He squatted to pick up the object. Tiptoe. He tiptoed quietly across the room. Fidget. She fidgeted with her pen during the meeting. Pirouette. She performed a graceful pirouette in the ballet. Pat. She patted the dog on the head. Frown. He frowned when he heard the news. Swagger. He swaggered with confidence. Crawl. The baby crawled across the floor. Cartwheel. He performed a cartwheel in the gym. Juggle. She juggled 3 balls at once. Slink. He slinked away quietly.